How to fix YouTube lagging or buffering on your phone. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. The first and easiest fix is to update the YouTube app. A lot of buffering and lagging issues happen because the app version is outdated. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. If you're on Android, open the Google Play Store. Then search for YouTube. If you see an update button, tap on it and wait for the latest version to install. Updates usually include bug fixes, performance improvements, and stability updates that can help videos load much smoother. The second fix is to clear the YouTube app cache. Over time, temporary files build up inside the app, and this can slow everything down. On iPhone, open Settings, then go to General and tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down until you find YouTube, then tap on it. After that, tap Offload App. This removes temporary files and refreshes the app without deleting your account or important data. Once the offloading process finishes, tap Reinstall App. If you're using Android, you can usually go to Settings, Apps, YouTube, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. The third fix is to check your internet connection. Sometimes the app is perfectly fine, but your internet speed is too slow for smooth video playback. If you're using mobile data, try switching to a mobile Wi-Fi network. And if you're already on Wi-Fi but videos are still buffering, try switching to mobile data instead. So yeah, those are the best fixes for YouTube buffering or lagging issues. Hopefully one of these methods solved your problem. If it did, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.